Hey there YouTube, going to bring you another video here. I'm going to show you a part of a video that I have not put out in the public before, but it's going to be a part of this one. You'll see it, in fact, right after this clip right here. What I'm doing out here is, a few weeks ago, I was out here with my Evo, which you can see is right there on the ground, and I was flying up this road in this FJ. At least I was trying. The clip you're going to see is that flight, and you're going to see just how bad it was and how crazy. This was when I did my Karma Anafi, and I said I had to eliminate the Evo in that video for the simple fact of what you're about to see. I'm going to go ahead and redo that test today because this thing has been to Autel. I got it back, this is Sunday, so I got it back on Friday. Yes, I got it back 2 days ago. Been busy with all kinds of other things, haven't been able to fly it yet. So this is literally its first maiden flight since it's been back, and we're going to get to see this together. So stay with me and tell me what you think about both parts of this. See you on the next one. Take care. Alright, so I've just set this up for follow me and for parallel. A parallel dynamic track, as they call it. Follow me, as I call it. So I'm going to start the FJ right now. Alright, let's start moving down the road. Let's see how this works out versus the other clip that you just saw. I get going a little faster here. Okay, it's definitely following me. And I don't see it jerking around like you just saw in that other clip. So far good news. And I like good news. Alright, now we'll see if around the curve up here, if it won't parallel me. So let's do that. Alright, here we go around the curve. Okay, interesting. It's just staying right behind me. It's a little bit off to the side though. Alright, let's go in here and park. It looks like at the very last it lost me. Target lost. Yep, it just says it. But I'm here where I was going to end anyway. So a majority of it was a good test. Okay, so you just saw that little test, and that looked very successful to me. I'll know obviously better when I get home and put it on the computer and all that. But screen looked perfectly level, everything looked great. Follow me here, no problems. Right until the very end as you saw. But anyhow, when I got here and I landed, it popped up on the screen that it needed a firmware update. So I'm standing out here, you can see. Here, let me pop this up. You can see that. Show you around a little bit. This is where I'm at. And it said it needed firmware updating. So I did it. So now that I've done that, what I've decided to do is I'm going to go ahead, get this thing up a little bit. Let's take it over here above the FJ. I'm going to set up an orbit because, you know, orbit's always been one of those bit of a weak spot, even though they've been getting better. Let's look down at the FJ down here. Let me back up just a hair to have it right in the middle. Okay, so the horizon looks good. Mountains look good. The FJ looks straight. There's right behind the FJ. Now we're starting to lose the mountain peaks here. There's the road. Have they fixed orbit? Because it's looking pretty good, I gotta say. Alright, we'll go ahead and stop this. Okay, so I would say that was a successful orbit flight. I think that's the best I've ever seen it do. So maybe orbit's fixed too. If so, we got waypoints to go, add panorama, I don't know, a couple other things, maybe like dolly zoom, that sort of thing. 360 would be cool because I got that on the Anafi and I really like that. But anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and land this thing, and we're gonna call it fixed and we're gonna call it good. So let's bring her over and land her.